Want to get the best performance in Valorant on your Acer monitor? In this video, I'll walk you through the ideal monitor settings to boost clarity, reduce input lag, and stay competitive. First, make sure your refresh rate is set to the highest possible, like 144 Hz or 240 Hz. Go to your monitor's menu, then Display Settings, and set it to the maximum hertz your monitor supports. Next, set response time to fast or overdrive, if available. This helps reduce motion blur, especially in fast-paced fights. Then adjust brightness to around 80%, contrast to 50 to 60%, and set black boost to low or medium. This helps spot enemies in dark corners without washing out your screen. Turn off extra filters like blue light shield or HDR while gaming. These can add latency or mess with visibility, and keep sharpness between 3 to 5 depending on your model. Lastly, in Valorant's in-game settings, match the resolution to your native display and turn off VSync for lower input delay. Dialing in your monitor settings can seriously improve your aim and reaction time. If this video helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more setup tips. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your climb in Valorant.